Hi everyone, this is Noriko Duet. Welcome to my classroom. This is episode number 3 of my art challenge. Previously, I drew with randomly selected 8 colors from the 150 Prismacolor set. This time, I decided to take 12 colors from 12 color set so that I can show what we can draw using the basic 12 color set. This time, we went to Frisco Commons Park in Frisco, Texas, and we drew Plein Air for 1 hour. So here's the footage. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
All right, so
Back at it again.
yes, this is Monday.
Yes, it is Monday.
It's only 2 days after.
Yeah, but we're so ready. We're just gonna keep going because this is fun.
Yes.
So,
As often as we can, right?
yep. So, where are we going today?
We are going to Frisco Commons.
Okay, this series is called Draw McKinney. Just want to make it clear. It's on like McKinney Road or something, right?
Yeah, so it's
Yeah,
technically
it's still
kind of McKinney.
technically McKinney. It's close enough. It's fine. You might want to like change the name of your series eventually if you want to go out to like Irving or something.
Draw Texas? No, just draw. Just draw.
Just draw, guys.
You know, just in case like we go like outside, you know.
When you go on
never
vacation,
know.
you should take all your stuff with you and
Yeah, I know.
draw stuff.
You're gonna be busy, you know, next time you're gonna go vacation or something.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You know, you're gonna be doing that for like 5 hours in the car. Or 6, 7.
You want me to vlog the entire
I
like
don't know.
road trip that we're taking?
I don't know, we might.
I don't know if I have enough storage space for that. I keep cutting myself off. I'm like, That's so bad. Okay, I'm gonna try to do better. I'm sorry. There are so many cows. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if that helps because I'm like totally blind, but that's fine. So many cows. Aw, they're like a little family watching them. That's so cute.
See, they get to hang out without social distancing.
I mean, you're not wrong. The houses are so little here. It's so tiny.
Old Frisco. Gosh, I don't know the last time I'm there. Oh, there's a lot of people.
Oh joy. We will scout and then we will see
All right
that
then.
we find our spot.
All right, see ya.
Alright, so I definitely forgot to take some footage here, but this is the location that we decided to draw. And I'm just gonna cut to when we actually start drawing because clearly I'm not great at vlogging still, and 3 times is not the charm, but we learn as we go, so hopefully I'll get better at this. Alright, so I'm pretty sure from the last 2 vlogs you guys have seen just how much fun Plein Air can be. And if you want to join the fun, you can join us this upcoming Saturday, June 13th in Chestnut Square, McKinney, Texas for a 3-hour Plein Air workshop. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be exactly like this. We're gonna go out to Chestnut Square. You guys get to pick whatever location or subject you want to draw, and you just get 3 whole hours to draw. If you're interested, please click on the link in the description box below, and yeah, see you there. The missing footage here is not my fault, I swear. There was a garbage truck and it was really loud, so we just decided not to film because it was just really obnoxious. Anyway, so we went back into the car and said our thoughts, but for now, here is the finished artwork.
That 1 hour felt long.
It did feel long. It felt long to you too?
Yeah, because we got used to it. We did it only 2 days ago.
Oh yeah.
So it gave me an interesting challenge because I used 12 color set, and it was interesting because I had all the colors, so I was constantly trying to create something that looked closer to what I see instead of trying to be creative like the last time when So, and then like 12 colors limited, so I have to mix a lot of different colors. So that gave me an interesting challenge for sure. And but in the end, you can do anything, is what I learned.
I feel like you say that every time.
Okay, well,
So are you really learning that every time?
Yes, I am,
You're
because
learning it every time?
because I'm using 12 color set, and then only color I didn't use today was black. I was saving it for the end if I needed to use it, and I didn't need to use it, so woohoo! Alright, I used 11 colors today. So when you go out trying to do this plein air thing on your own and you only have 12 color set, can you do it? Yes, you can. And my recommendation is to just try to blend as many colors as you can and have fun with it. I even get to use some red, and overall, when you look at the picture, it doesn't look like I used all the red.
It's kind of like when you put like purple in weird places on a portrait. Yeah, kind of like that.
And I use that to really balance out the color, overall.
I think of your color wheel.
Yes. So if you look at the color wheel, think of always the opposite side of the color, complementary color in order to darken the color, and you can do most of your work without black until you really absolutely have to use black. So there you have it.
All right, so that basically concludes our little journey here.
Yes.
We'll see you guys back at home.
Yes. All right. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed this vlog just as much as we enjoyed our little adventure. If you would like to join me next time, I am having a plein air drawing workshop on Saturday, June 13th from 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. We are going to meet at Chestnut Square Historic Village in McKinney, Texas for 3 hours of quality drawing time. Click on the link below for more information and registration for this workshop, my summer session classes, as well as my online classes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!